types of men you should never ever get married to and call the rest of us trash, and reasons why. I'm going to give you all of that now. Ladies, listen carefully. Do not marry a tennis player because he has a lot of balls. Do not marry a soccer player. They dribble a lot before shooting and they still miss the goal. Do not marry a cricket player. They hit and run. Do not marry a rugby player. They tackle hard for no reason. Do not marry a chess player because checkmate. Do not marry actors. Actors fake it until they make it. Do not marry a prophet. He will fight with you today for something that you're going to do next year. And you don't want to get married to a karate man. Do not marry a martial artist. Every day he wants to try a new style, every day new style, every day new style. You know, how bad. Do not marry a police officer. Police? Don't marry a police officer because everything you say or do will be used against you. If where? I don't know. Do not marry a Nigerian. Please, Ndasikai. Nigerians already have the O or their O's. And don't marry a barman because every time now and again the rounds are on him. Barman. And do not marry a preacher because with a preacher, at the end of the day, everything's if you marry a preacher, it always comes down to a man. That's a preacher. It ends with a man. And I'm not picking sides. Don't marry comedians because that's funny. Yeah. I will tell you who to marry. Marry women.